This is a demo on the 3-inch Cactus hand press mold. It's a 3D mold from the Maker Shop. It consists of a bottom plate, a top plunger, and a shell. Take your shell and place it on top of your bottom plate. Start to fill your mold gently, and then we're going to pack this ever so lightly on the bottom just so that we get the details to come out on the finished product. So we're going to take our finger and just give a gentle push down, because the lines that you have on the top plunger as well as the bottom plate, we want those to come out in the finished product. So we just want to poke just a little bit. We are not compacting the entire bomb. We just want to press on the bottom to get those lines to come out in the end. Okay, and now you can continue filling your mold as normal, giving a little shake in between to make sure that all of the bath bomb mix gets down into the cracks and crevices. Now, around the stress points where you see there's a space in between each one, and so that's going to be a stress point. So we want to pack just a little bit around those stress points and then fill it again. Give it a little, just a gentle little push with your finger. You don't want to do it too hard and impact everything, because then your bomb is going to be really, really heavy, and we don't really want that. Just one little poke on each of those stress points is usually enough. Give it another little shake to let all of the bath bomb mixture settle on the inside. And now we're going to take our top plunger, turn it over, and we're going to give it a push. And turn. Push. And turn. And one more time for good measure. You can pick it up at this point and get rid of any excess. With this particular mold, I like to turn it over and give it some gentle taps on the bottom plate. Normally, it's not necessary to tap the bottom plate, but because this one has those lines on it and I want those to come out in the finished design, I am going to give it some gentle taps. We're going to give it some gentle taps around the outside of the shell. You can go ahead and tap the top part plunger if you'd like. Just to try to ensure that those lines come out on the plunger side as well. So if you'll notice, I turned it back upside down because we're going to use the plunger to push back up. So we're going to take the top plate off, straight up. And now we're going to use both of our fingers underneath while holding the top, and we're going to push up with our plunger. You might have to move your fingers around a little bit. Just enough so that it can loosen all of the suction that was created while we were pressing. So at this point, you want to grab a piece of cardboard, stick it on the top of your bath bomb, and turn it over. Now we're going to take the plunger and lift it straight up. If there's any resistance whatsoever, you need to give it some more gentle taps, because that means that there's some suction happening. So pull straight up. And here we have our 3D cactus mold from the Maker Shop. If you'd like to purchase this or any other mold from the Maker Shop, I'm going to go ahead and link their Etsy site as well as their website down below. Happy creating, everybody!